and welcome to the video. Thank you for your support of our brand. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute cartoon jellyfish. First, take out the green yarn, crochet hook and stitch markers. I'm gonna start with the major ring. You can just do like this one around your pinky finger, a half around your index fingers, and one around your middle fingers. Hold the ring in place with your index and middle fingers. And then we go here and grab the yarn here, just put it up. And one more time. So in this ring, we are gonna do 6 single crochet. Just go here and grab the yarn and put our loop. Yarn over and push through 2 loops. Use stitch markers to mark the first stitch of each row. This should help you know where to stitch. And then once again, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we just go ahead and put this crow like so. Remove the stitch markers. Here is the first stitch. Then join the last stitch of the row to the first stitch of the round with a slip stitch. Put here. And we are gonna increase in every stitch in next round. Increase means 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And then make a chain stitch going to round 2. Here is the first stitch. You just go in here and then going to single crochet. Your stitch markers. Then make another single crochet in the same stitch. It's not hard with single crochet in the next stitch. 3 and 4, and do this in each stitch until we have 12 single crochet. Now we have 6, and here is 7, 8, and 9. And 10, 11, and 12. Totally 12 stitch. And check the quantity every round. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remove the stitch markers and make a slip stitch to join the round. Put it tight. Now round 3, we are gonna increase in every second stitch. Change 1. And here is the first stitch. Here we do a single crochet here, 1 single crochet, and make a stitch marker. And in the next stitch, we do 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. And repeat all the way around here, 1 single crochet, and next 2 1, 2. We are just going to repeat this all the way around until we have 18 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and increase in the next 1, 2, and in the end stitch, we make 2 single crochet. Totally 80 stitch, and remove the stitch marker to make a slip stitch to join the round. Put the loop tight, and then round 4, we're gonna increase in every third stitch, change 1, and then do 1 single crochet there, and mark the first stitch, and here in the next one, do 2 single crochet here, 2, 1 single crochet, then 1 single crochet, and increase in the next stitch, 1, 2, next 1 single crochet, repeat is 1, and in next 2, 1, 2, and next 1 single crochet. We are just going to repeat this all the way around here until we have 24 single crochet. And in the end, do a single crochet here. There are total 24 stitches. And remove the stitch markers. Make a slip stitch to join the round. Round 5, we are gonna increase in every 4 stitch. Change 1, and here we do 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch, two single crochet, and 3 single crochet. In the next, we may increase 1, 2, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and now 1 single crochet, 2, and 3. In the next, do 2 single crochet. We are just going to repeat this all the way around until we have 30 single crochet. In the end, 1, 2, 3, and the next increase 1, and 2. Total 30 stitches in the round 5. Remove the marked stitch. We made a slip stitch in to join the round, and then make a chain stitch and go to round 6. Here is the first one. Do 1 single crochet there and marks the first one. Then do 1 single crochet and in every stitch 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. We are just going to repeat this all the way around until we have 30 single crochet. 28 and 29, the last 30. The round 6 has 30 stitches. Remove the markers and do a slip stitch to join the round. Round 7 is same to round 6. Chain 1. Round 7 to round 9 is same to round 6. We do 1 single crochet in every stitch until every round has 30 single crochet. We can just continue and I will miss you when I have done my 7 to 9 round. Oh, I have done 7 to 9 rounds. Then we can change one and go to round 10. And we need to do 3 single crochet in 1 decrease. So 1 single crochet and mark the first stitch. Next, 2 single crochet 3, and then next we do a decrease. Decrease need to go through in these 2 front loops. Just go into the front loop only in the next 2 stitches. Grab the yarn and put up a loop. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. Yes over and push through 2 loops. Next, 1 single crochet, 2 and 3. Then do a decrease. Grab the yarn, put up a loop, yes over and through the 2 loops. 1 single crochet and 2 and 3. Then do a decrease. Repeat this all the way around. Until we have 24 stitches. In the end, make a decrease. Remove the markers and do a slip stitch to join around. Total 24 stitches. Now we finish the head of the jellyfish and cut yarn. Then put yarn out and tighten. And then we are going to make the border of the head of the jellyfish.